Quillbot is a comprehensive AI writing suite that assists with everything from brainstorming to final polishing. Now we're gonna guide you on how to use its core features for content writing. Here's an example here for content writing. Let me paste. Right? Some days don't break you; they just bend you enough to remind you you are human. Not everyone needs fireworks. Sometimes getting out of bed is the victory parade. You can see right here a revise, right? And you need also to upgrade in order to get the maximum features. You can generate outlines, prompt the AI to create H2 and H3 headings for your topics. This is just, you can use the free AI content brief generator to define target audience, word count, and keyframes, but that's not necessary for our case. We just want a content, right, that we wrote, and we need to know how to use Quillbot to, enhance it. So as you can see right here, you can revise one line, but in order to access that, you need to get premium, right? So, hold on, okay? You can also use the write ahead, right, to help you with your script. So let me log in and show you how it's done. Right, here's my account. Okay, let me close this, accept, close. Right, you can use the paraphrase here, the paraphrasing tool, and because the paraphrasing tool is Quillbot's core feature for improving flow and tone, right? So hit here, insert, right? Embracing the small triumphs can lead to a deeper appreciation for life's simple moments. Each day offers a new chance to grow, no matter how subtle the progress may seem, right? Okay, so I see right here the assist home. You can paraphrase here, use the paraphrasing tool, right? You can add a little, you can humanize the script, the content, or make it more formal, academic, but in order to access that, you need to, of course, upgrade. So hit apply here to rephrase. As you can see right here, we rephrase this script. A greater appreciation for life's small pleasures can result from accepting these minor victories. Every day presents a fresh opportunity for development, regardless of how modest the advancement may appear. You can use also the AI here, but it takes you to the same place where you can rephrase your script. You can also generate here, enter your prompt. Maybe you want to make it longer, so make it longer. Hit generate, and please be aware that you have, if you are in the free version, you have 8 generations or 10 to 9 generations a day. Okay, hit insert, right? Basically, now you added, or you let the AI add more to your content. Okay, and once your draft is complete, use the grammar checker over here to revise, of course, the lines. Summarize, right? If you want to summarize, to condense long paragraphs into key bullet points, or a concise overview for meta descriptions, but in our case we use it as a content, so we don't need that. We need to make it longer if you're writing a blog or whatever, right? And of course the rephrase here, and the phrase feature helps you understand or make it more human, make it more formal. It shapes how the viewer will see your writing. Okay, and the grammar obviously needs to be upgraded or revised. So you can use also the write ahead here, right, to insert, right, and make it much longer. So yeah, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.